Hello. This is going to be a quick review of assignment 3, which was the assignment associated with databases. So let's get started. Okay, just as a reminder, here are the general requirements for the assignment. You were to write a few paragraphs answering each of the following questions and upload your work to me via Blackboard. And I also recommend that you review the assignment grade rubric and the syllabus. You see it here on this slide. I'm not going to spend time talking about it. It's there for you. But if you have any questions about why did I get the grade that I received for a particular assignment, the first place you need to check is right here. Check the rubric. Okay. Okay, so the first question for this assignment was go to Oracle's website. What are some software products and services this company offers, and what are some of their unique features? Who are some of Oracle's competitors? Okay, so here we are at the Oracle website. This is just our home page. And you'll see that they actually were particularly interested in products. They talk about solutions, all kinds of offerings to customers, very sophisticated offerings. They're particularly well known for their sophistication. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on products, and we see here that we have our products, and if you scroll a little further, services. Now obviously they have such a wide range of things that I'm not concerned about you detailing each and every one. Just choose a few. I would caution you though, the question specifically talked of software products, and that would be your applications, your database, enterprise management, possibly Java, which is a programming language that is owned by Oracle. Okay, and so on and so forth. Operating systems, they offer Oracle's Solaris or Oracle Unix. Servers, on the other hand, are hardware. So you really, storage and tape are hardware. Networking and data center fabric products are hardware. So you need to be careful about which services you chose. Okay, in terms of determining what. Let's just pick one. We'll go to database. We'll just choose about standard edition, which is more of a personal kind of a competitor with access. They have an overview, and notice here we have comparisons, and they're going to actually compare themselves to their own, determining, okay, what is the best thing for me, not really comparing it to competitors. But you get some pretty good information here in terms of what kind of features they have. Okay. In terms of going back and looking at some of their services, we could look at, well, what do they do in terms of consulting? Okay, and so they offer because they offer sophisticated products. They also offer expertise in helping you implement those products. Okay, and so they're willing to go in and help you with implementation, perhaps even map out IT strategy if you're a larger company. If you're particularly interested in particular services, again, we can go to Oracle database, and we see that they're going to be offering some consulting to help you implement the database. And if you want to get some additional information, you can go to the data sheet and perhaps see what kinds of things were being offered by Oracle. Okay, so then the last little bit that you needed to discuss for the Oracle question was who are their competitors, who competes. And this is a document actually that I found on the web. Oracle is telling us who they consider their competitors to be. Okay, and they've separated them into two tiers. Tier 1, their primary competitors, and then Tier 2, another set of competitors. And you see them here. I'm not going to read them off to you, but obviously these are the companies that Oracle considers to be their direct competitors. Question 2 was for you to read case study 2, essentially the case on data mining tools at Pandora Radio, and then do some additional research on Pandora's Music Genome Project. Okay. Write a few paragraphs answering the 3 questions at the end of the case and include some additional information from your research. Be sure to cite whatever sources you use outside of the textbook. Okay, so let's take a look at Pandora. And I'll go ahead and load it. And I think most of you are probably familiar with this service. I'm a Pandora user. Currently the Music Machine radio station is playing, but okay, so I'm a little bit into 60s garage stuff. But anyway, the interesting thing about Pandora, of course, is the Music Genome Project. Okay, and so, you know, I expected you to do a little bit of additional research in terms of the Music Genome Project, find out, you know, it's a database. It's a database that characterizes music, that analyzes music. And when you talk about likes and dislikes on Pandora, the key is that when you say that you like a song, Pandora would look at the Music Genome Project qualities associated with that song and say, well, they really like music that has these qualities. And it helps improve the radio station for you. Okay, if you dislike a song, they say, well, we made a wrong guess. There's something about the qualities of this song that they don't like, so we're going to step back and perhaps offer a different kind of music to be played there. So that's how it works. When the like and dislike buttons are actually giving additional feedback from the user that, together with data collected in the Music Genome Project, that help identify music that you would like.